Hello everyone. Today, I have got an exciting guide for all you Clash Royale players. If you are looking to quickly collect elite wildcards and level up your cards faster, you are in the right place. So let's dive into the top methods. So the first method is one of the most efficient ways to earn elite wildcards is by participating in special in-game events and challenges. These events often reward players with wildcards for completing objects or winning matches. Be sure to check the Events tab regularly. The second method, Elite wildcards frequently appear in the in-game shop as purchasable items. So save up your gold or gems and grab them when they are available. It is worth checking the shop daily to avoid missing out. Now focus on unlocking higher tier chests like magical, super magical, and legendary chests. These chests have a higher chance of dropping wildcards, and also don't forget to claim crown chests as they are a consistent source of valuable rewards. If you are a dedicated player, consider purchasing the Pass Royale. This gives you access to exclusive rewards, including elite wildcards, as you progress through the tiers. Now, at the end of each season, players receive rewards based on their ladder rank. The higher your rank, the better the rewards. And this often includes elite wildcards. Now, push your trophies as high as possible to maximize your loot. With these strategies, you will be collecting elite wildcards faster than ever. What is your go-to method for earning them? Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.